9 answer choices in the 3 blank questions may sound too much as they lead to a total of 27 combinations. However, please don't worry. If used well, the high number of answer choices can actually help us in solving the question, because the elimination or selection of answer choice for one blank very often helps in elimination or selection of answer choices for the other blanks. Because certain correct or incorrect answer choices can only work together. For example, look at this simple sentence. Here are the answer choices. We can notice that lacking inspiration, the artist made little progress would work. Therefore, inspiration and little is a pair of answer choices that can only work together. Similarly, lacking inhibition, the artist made considerable progress would work well. Therefore, inhibition and considerable work together. Then lacking haste, the artist made careful progress works fine. Therefore, haste and careful work together. Let's read further. It was only something of missing the gallery deadline that kept him working at all. So it was only because of the deadline that he was working at all. So fear works very well for the third blank, that it was only the fear of missing the gallery deadline that kept him working at all. Therefore, an answer choice like lacking inhibition or haste can be eliminated, and therefore the corresponding answer choices considerable for inhibition and careful for haste also eliminate themselves. Lacking inspiration, the artist made little progress on his latest project. It was only the fear of missing the gallery deadline that kept him working at all. The paragraph makes complete sense, and you notice once inspiration got selected, little, the corresponding answer choice, selected itself. I hope this thoroughly explains how certain correct and incorrect answer choices only work together, and this aspect can help us use the answer choices to our advantage. Let's take a GRE-like example now. Here is the question along with the answer choices. Here is the correct approach. Please try to use the answer choices to your advantage here. Please pause the video and solve this. You will notice that an answer choice like highly cohesive would work with this answer choice, perfectly aligning with, and an answer choice such as self-contradictory would work well with bizarrely contrasting against. It's about bringing to mind the dense, expansive albums, dense being an important operative word here, suggesting that opaque can work very well here. There is no context for varied, and a negative word such as vague would not be correct because the conclusion here is something positive. See how important it is to read the complete paragraph end to end. This last sentence here has an important role to play in eliminating vague here. So one blank has been filled. Then it's about something melodic and something harsh coming together. These two are not cohesive, these are contradictory. We could eliminate this answer choice, so we can also eliminate the corresponding answer choice here, perfectly aligning with. Such contrasting composition cannot be called straightforward, nor can we say that such a deep contrast would not have an effect. Let's read this end to end once. The eclectic musician's latest song has drawn much attention for its self-contradictory nature, and then the further part suggests what the contradiction is, that melodic symphonies bizarrely contrast against its harsh lyrics and vocals. The themes of the song are exceptionally opaque, bringing to mind the dense, expansive albums beloved by music fanatics in the 1970s. And then this last part of the sentence suggests that overall the song is interesting and therefore not sure whether good or bad. It is interesting and therefore something positive. This observation is what helped us in eliminating this very interesting answer choice, vague. This was a trap, and to navigate this trap, the last part of the sentence plays a very important role. Nonetheless, the key point here is how the 9 answer choices are interdependent, and we can use these answer choices to our benefit because certain answer choices can only work together. I hope you have duly understood the concept. Going forward, please apply it. Thanks for watching.